Antok ka na? Do you want to sleep? Do you want to sleep? Sleep ka na? Hindi pa? Do you want to play pa? Do you want to tell Daddy a story? What story? Oh, tell Daddy dali. Oh. Oh. One day, ano nangyari? In a star far, far away. Oh? Oh. Ata, anong ginawa? Kawawa naman. And then? Tapos? Oh. Kawawa ka naman. Then you got hungry. Gusto mo dede? Oh. You're happy? Are you happy? Oh, what's that? Who's screaming? Sila nag-i-scream.
What did you say, Daddy?
Oh. And then? And then?
Sino daw ang mag-scream?
Oo. Oh, nag-scream ka din? Paano mag-scream? Oh. Oh, paano mag-scream? Scream si KD. Wah! Ganun. Bo. Scream si KD. What happened to your hand? Where's your hand? Where's your hand? Oh, it's missing.
No, it's here.
It's inside. Hinahanap ni KD. He doesn't know.
Chapa ching ching.
Bigla laki ulo Uy, talaga?
Talaga?
It's so dark. Tell Daddy mo, dali. Sleep na si Daddy if you don't talk to me. Tell Daddy. Tapos, anong ginawa ni Lola? Si Lola? Bintay ka kanina. Lola? Oh. Your hand still missing? Do you want to see your hand? Do you want to see your hand? Ay, hand mo. Mabaho mong hands. Amoy cheese. Oh, that's your hand. Where's your finger? Anto ka na? Sleep ka na? Di ka pa sleep? It's late now. Tulog ka kasi buong araw Nag-sleep ka lang buong araw sa labas?
No.
Sa may crib siya, tulog ka kanina Do you want to go sleep outside? Sa may crib? Ayaw mo? Oo. Dito ka tabi ni Mami? Sa tabi ka ni Mami mag-sleep? Ha? Gusto mo katabi ng Dede? Oh? And then?